exercise 14th back start. So there was a representation from that area saying that betel nut should also come within the purview of customs duty, and that part should be declared as port. A representation was made to the finance ministry, but nothing is done. I urge upon them to see to this whether smuggling, which is giving no benefit to the government and which is going to be increased, cannot be stopped, though our land customs department is there. It cannot deal with smuggling effectively. Smuggling is going on, so if you want to stop it, some definite steps should be taken, and the representation which was made from that part should be given due consideration. Now, some other friend also touched upon rural economy and cottage and village industries. One thing we must do, that is, we must remove the disparity between the town and the village. If we are to remove it, what should be done? We should develop small industries, village industries, and cottage industries. How can they be developed? For that, power should be there. Now, my honorable friend was saying that out of 6 lakhs of villages, only 19,000 villages have been electrified. This is meager. If village electrification is not given due consideration, we cannot make progress. When our draft 5-year plan was discussed among members of parliament, I asked for information, and this about how much of village electrification was contemplated in the 10th 5-year plan. The answer was very unsatisfactory unless you develop your village industries. How can you advance? They are also contemplating to employ the surplus labor and also agricultural peasants who are not wholly employed to develop village industries and to make a plan. But unless power is supplied, unless you have a good scheme of rural electrification, how can village industries be developed? In these modern days, we say big things, we say here, and we shout from housetops that so much is being done for the rural areas, but actually we are not doing what should be done. If rural electrification is there, then rural industries can be developed. Otherwise, they cannot be developed. Unemployment cannot be solved. The only solution for unemployment is the development of small industries and cottage industries. Otherwise, unemployment will increase year by year, and there will be frustration among young men, particularly among the educated. Stop.